So you now say, okay, I should tell my community that if you guys are able to get me to 1,000 subscribers, it's going to be giving out 2 Propfirm and 100,000 naira. Good day and welcome back, guys. This is Wednesday and I took my first trade for the week, my first trade for the month, and also my first trade on this my newly purchased 5k funded next account. I purchased the account 2 weeks ago, but since then I haven't taken any trade. I haven't seen any trade opportunity. Throughout last week there was no opportunity, and today being Tuesday I just took my first trade on this 5k account, and let me show you guys the trade. So this right here on my chart is the trade that I took earlier today. I was very busy today because we are preparing for our shoots, so I'm very busy in creating and doing other works. Like I was so occupied to check to even do any recording, you understand. But then this is the trade. As you can see right here, took me out by some couple of pips. Very painful trade, by the way. So went to my direction, understand. The model I use here is the candle range theory model. That's what I use in this trade right here. But then this trade stopped me, and not because the setup was wrong, or not because my bias was wrong. It was because of wrong stop loss placement. My stop loss was supposed to be above this level that I put SL. But then I considered the risk and I was like, let me just put it here, let it be above this other block. You understand? Because I was hoping the price will not get to go above this other block. Though I know that this fair value gap, there's a fair value gap here. You understand? So this is my first trade for this week. Today is Tuesday, tomorrow is Wednesday. I know tomorrow is going to be a good day, and I still have Wednesday and Thursday. I don't trade on Friday, I don't trade on Monday, so I trade partially Monday, I trade on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays. Understand? So this is the first trade on the account, and as you can see right here, lost about $54 plus commission on this first trade. We are risking 1%, going for 2%. So 1% is in $50 plus the commission of $4. That's what make this stop to hit $54. So what's up, guys? This is a third day after I'm about taking a trade on USD CHF. Now let me show you guys the trade. So this is my laptop here. Sorry, this is the design I'm trying to create. So this is the trade here. As you can see, it's almost at my end for trying to sell USD CHF from this point. Now I'm risking half of my normal risk for this trade. The reason being that I'm counter trending. This trend is bullish, but I want to sell from here. You understand? I'm counter trending, so that is why I'm risking, instead of $50, I'm risking $25, which is like 0.5%, not really up to 1%. You understand, for this trade. So I'll keep you guys updated on how it goes. Peace out. So guys, I'm going out now. I'm going for my evening walk. You understand? There is the reason I'm leaving this late. There's one side I used to pass. There's some amazing building there that I want to show you guys. So guys, stick with me. Let's take a walk. So guys, I'm still working on this. Is past 7:09, and I just got to that street. Let me show you guys. It's in the front. The lights are not yet on. I don't know why. Maybe because we don't have lights. But then this is the street. You get to see some amazing buildings that will ginger you, will inspire you. Understand? This is street. I don't know if they let me video, but street is fine, sharp. But then we are here. So guys, I just got here and their light is off.
I don't know, maybe because there's no light. Or like the light is off. And I was here yesterday, it was very, very, beautiful. Today there's no light. Even the street light is not even on. Like, what the F? But regardless, I'm not going to be here tomorrow because tomorrow is Friday. I'll be going to my house though. But then it's a very fine street, fine buildings. I passed a lot of streets that are even finer than this one, but then you can't just record in every street, you understand? So, but regardless, it's a very fine street. Still on a walk. Work. As you see down there, that one with the lights, that's my favorite building in this estate. That is my favorite building. It's a very fine house, you understand? So I get to pass here every day, give me the motivation to do more. You understand? Set my goals high. You get me? A very fine house. I don't know why the street lights are not on. You would have seen the surrounding, the environment. It's a very fine house. One of the finest buildings in this area, although there's still a lot of things uncompleted. You understand? But then this still, regardless, is one of the finest. So I just got closer to the compound. You can see all the house there is glowing. It's glowing. I didn't mean because this is gen lights though. I think it's gen that I'm using. But then if it's like NEPA lights, you would have seen the whole wall. All of them they are glowing. Like God I beg you. God I beg. Anyway, I'm going back to my office. Going back. There's still one more house I'm going to show you guys, but that one is in the front. Mind you, this is not even one of the finest in this, this place that I am. But then it's one I get to see every day. Some ones their estates is like their gates and fence are too big. So you can only see the side of the house from afar, but once you get closer, you won't be able to record anything. You understand? But then you still got one more in the front.
So guys, this is Friday and this is the trade of yesterday on my screen. As you can see, it didn't tap me in. It came very close there, but it didn't tap me. And this is Friday, and you all know that I don't trade on Friday. You understand? So this is basically a weekly recap. This is the first trade on 15 minutes time frame. So you can see this is the trade. Just go stopped out. Just stopped out by the week, the smallest any week set. You understand? But then regardless, it's a winning week. You understand? Because it's a lesson week, and a lesson is also a win. For me, I don't know how you guys consider it in your own side, but for me a lesson week is also a winning week. Just that it didn't add some blues on 95, but then it added up here. You understand? So this is the first trade, and the second one too, which is on the 1 hour time frame, is this one. I waited for price to come here, price didn't come here. Now it gave me this breakup structure, and this one, which is one I wanted to take yesterday, still yet didn't tap in again, and price is moving down. And even if it gets to come back to this place, because today is Friday, I don't trade on Friday, I'm not going to take this trade again. You understand? But then it is what it is. So this is the P&L for a week. As you can see, we made about 54 negative, but then it's just it. So we'll come back next week. You understand? We'll come back next week, come back stronger. Next week is going to be a winning week, definitely. I can already feel it from this week. You understand? Whenever you are getting missed entries like this, just get prepared for winnings. You understand? So do it to like, subscribe, and also share your thoughts in the comment section. See you on next week. And before I forget, very important thing. One of my subscribers here, because I've not posted for, let me say, for a couple of weeks now. Let me say for 2 weeks now. This is making it the third week. You understand? So he reached out to me. I was like, why are you not posting? I said, I'm not seeing the content. I've not taken any trade, and regardless, like, it's just demotivating, creating content and nobody is doing it. So you now say, okay, I should tell my community that if you guys are able to get me to 1,000 subscribers, it's going to be giving out 2 Propfirm and 100,000 naira. Once I get 1,000 subscribers, I'm giving out 2 Propfirm of your choice, whether fundedness or funding people, FTM or 2 Propfirm. You understand? I didn't mention the, whether it's 5K or 10K, but then you say 2 Propfirm challenge accounts and then 100K. You understand? So the only way you can help me get to this goal so that I will be able to collect this money, because he asked me if he should give me the money. I was like, no, I'm capable of buying myself account. but then let's do it for the community. You understand? So the only way you can help me achieve this, if you want the problem, is to like, comment and subscribe if you have not subscribed. You understand? You might be the lucky winner. You understand? 100B and 2 Propfirm. I mean, it's something, you understand, coming from someone I don't even know on this same YouTube. I mean, it's really, really amazing and motivating. So I'm going to be posting every week. You understand? I'm coming up with even something new to help me, like, post even if it's twice in a week. You understand? So that I'll be able to reach that goal and you guys can enjoy this, this offer. And if I don't get to 1,000 subscribers, you understand, it might, the problem will not come to me definitely, and the 100K too. So it's better we, help each other. You understand? Reach this goal so that you might be the lucky winner. So see you all next week, and thank you.